Alexei Murtazin presents Gravity Armature is a dreamer's hypothesis. This video lays out just a hypothesis and has no scientific proof at this time. Part 1. Basic idea. The law of universal gravitation was discovered in the 17th century. But until now, we don't know how the force of gravity arises. We only know that it exists. One day, an apple fell from a tree, from which it was concluded that it was the planet Earth that attracted the fruit. Suppose that all planets, stars, and even incredible black holes are simply unable to attract anything. Then we need a new force to take over. Imagine rebar, but not made of metal. The gravitational armature consists of force fields. This is the basic structure of the universe. It is not mobile, but it is able to stretch, thicken when a space body passes through some space. Then it restores its shape after the body flies away. There are large distances between atoms. That's what allows space bodies to move within the three-dimensional grid. We're all flying through it. A cosmic body with its mass and volume expands and compacts the gravitational armature around itself, forming a sphere. But it doesn't do it uniformly. The farther away from the object, the density decreases. The Earth exerts pressure on the gravitational armature. The armature presses in the opposite direction with the same force. Everything in the compaction zone gets a direction of travel towards the Earth. It is the gravity armature that creates the force of attraction. Part 2. Black holes. Black holes are the most colossal objects in the universe. Therefore, they bend the gravitational armature over gigantic distances. Closer to the hole, the density of the armature is maximized, forming a cocoon. The matter, which tends to fall on the black hole, at great speed literally tears through the armature. From this matter heats up and forms an accretion disk. The velocity of matter decreases and it falls beyond the event horizon, from which it is no longer able to escape. It is impossible to imagine how much two black holes compress the gravitational armature between each other. But, as any system, the armature aspires to come to equilibrium and to reduce pressure. So it has to expand, and with it, the whole universe expands. It happens with acceleration, because with acceleration, black holes increase their size. When black holes merge, gravitational waves are produced. Scientists know how to detect them, but no one knows how the waves travel through space. As it was said before, two black holes compress the gravitational armature between each other. As they merge, the armature changes shape dramatically, which causes it to vibrate. These are gravitational waves. Part 3. Lagrange point. If two space bodies exert equal pressure on the same spot on a gravitational armature, it will bend both ways, with a 50-50% probability, and creates pressure in opposite directions. A gravity clamp is formed. Part 4. Time. It's hard to believe, but time doesn't exist. A clock is to planet Earth what a mileage meter is to a car. Many factors affect the speed of molecules. One of them is the density of the gravitational reinforcement.
For example, the higher the orbit of a satellite, the faster all its devices work because the density of the armature decreases.
Part 5. Time and Einstein's paradox. Einstein's twin paradox works, but time has nothing to do with it. Each atom of a twin cosmonaut flies at a tremendous speed and constantly interacts with the gravitational armature. This slows down the movement of molecules and reduces the rate of aging of the astronaut. That's the idea the author came up with. The text is dubbed and also created a video in the AI studio.